This is part of our Christmas display from 2020, Nativity scene. It's just going through a color wheel effect at the moment. So we have shepherds and sheep over on the right. The sheep haven't been converted to LEDs yet, but the shepherds have. Then we have the tree with the star. And we have the giant gift box with the heart-shaped bow on top, and then Mary and Joseph and the baby. We have a donkey and sheep in front. And to the left of that we have 3 wise men. And then over on the far left we have an angel. Then on the house we have RGB icicles and globes. So the interesting thing about these characters is that you can skin them. In other words, like for example, the angel, in the software it's just a rectangular grid, but what you can do is like you can color the hair and the halo, you can apply effects onto the trumpet, and you can see the wings are shaped a little bit here, and then the bottom of the angel's body is kind of supposed to be flowing in the wind a little bit there. But anyway, so these figures can be skinned. In other words, you can draw a pattern onto them. So, for example, the wise men could have, fancier outfits, things like that.